Hello everyone. In this video I am going to demonstrate differential amplifier using Mosfets. As you can see, this is the setup I have wired on a breadboard. So as you can see here, these are the two Mosfets I am using. This is the first Mosfet you can see here. This is the clear view. This is the first Mosfet and there is the other Mosfet. So the voltage between these two Mosfets, the voltage between the drain terminals of these two Mosfets is fed to the speaker. You can see here, these are the speakers. So these speakers are in series. So between the drains of these two Mosfets, the voltages are taken as samples and they are fed to these speakers. The two sources of these two Mosfets, both the sources are wired together and connected to this 1 ohms resistance. This is the swamping resistance and this is the final current limiting resistance or the biasing resistance at the source. And here you can see there is a bypass capacitor. This is the AC bypass capacitor for the AC circuits. So as you can see here, there is one more capacitor here. So this capacitor is used to couple the speakers. We cannot give DC voltages directly to the speakers. We need to give proper AC voltages to the speakers. That's why we are using this coupling capacitor for the speakers. And this is the input capacitor for the input voltage filtering. So this is how the setup looks like. So let me show the circuit diagram first. Then I will show you the performance. So as you can see here, this is the circuit diagram. You can see here the difference between this point voltage and this point voltage is finally fed to the speakers using the coupling capacitor. You can see this is the coupling capacitor, 10 microfarad 63 volt, and these are the two speakers. So basically I am using two MOSFETs, T1 and T2, and on the gates of these two MOSFETs I am feeding the audio signal. You can see here I am feeding at only one gate and the other gate I have kept grounded. You can see here. So the difference between these 2 points, this is the signal feed. And you can see here, between these two drains, there is a voltage difference. So this voltage difference is fed to the speakers. And you can see here, the source of both the MOSFETs are connected together like this. You can see 47 ohms is the biasing resistance and there is a bypass capacitor. You can see here for the AC response, and this is a swamping resistance of 1 ohm 5 watt. So this is how the circuit looks like. You can see here, this is how the circuit looks like. So this is single stage differential amplifier using MOSFETs. You can see here, this is the setup. So now let me play some audio file on this amplifier and we will be observing the output. So I am playing this audio file from the cell phone. So you can see here, the gain of this amplifier is very good and the sound is also very clear. You can hear the sound is very clear. This is the differential amplifier. So this is how the circuit behaves. The performance of this circuit is very satisfactory. So as you can see here, this is the differential amplifier demonstration using MOSFETs. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.